Bakhona abantu abathathu asebeboshiwe.
Yiwona ke lamazwi ashiwo ngungqongqoshe izolo naholele ekutheni izakhamuzi zivuke ekseni namhlanje ziqonde enkantolo ziyozibonela ngawazo abasolwa kodwa ke zihlangane nezimbila sithutha.
Abazuvela namhlanje bevela ngale case yabantu bangathi. Ngicela uma ecaleni kulento ungayingeni kutsithethe nepolisa kuthi asehlela lapha ngaphakathi.
Esithangamini sayizolo amaphoyisa acacisile ukuthi abasolwa baboshelwe amacala ehlukene endaweni kodwa kungenzeka ukuthi kukhona abakwaziyo ngalesi sigameko.
Those people who are arrested on other case, you wouldn't have found anybody today there charged for the murder of the 18 people. That you would not have found.
Izakhamuzi zisale ziphithene ikhanda ngaleli cala.
Zombini ezinto sizivile ebesisive kuminister nakwelipolisa kuMantyi uthethe yakhe nabanye bathethe yabo.
Esifanele babe nomsindo kuba uthe umphathi wamapolisa izolo ecollege Croy Memorial Service wathi namhlanje bazovela abantu ecourt.
So currently there might be no good communication between these two offices, that is of the minister and the magistrate.
Kuqala isonto lesibili kwenzeka lesi sigameko. Ithemba lokuthola ubulungiswa liya ngokuya lashabalala emndenini yezisulu.
The big question is, how did the minister then know that these people were going to appear in court today if the court is not aware of such a thing?
Akukacacike ukuthi leli cala lizoqala nini.